Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. So today we are going to be learning how to make a purse. Very simple. The materials needed is as shown. You need the denim material, zip, scissors, the denim material or any other sturdy material of your own. That is what you need for this tutorial. So now the measurement is 8.5 inches, 8.5 inches by 7 inches. So the material is on fold, as you can see. You also need a zipper. So the length of your zipper should be the length of the material you are using on fold. But in case of shortage, you can just add like maybe an inch or 2 inches to the length. In this case, I added 1.5 inches to the length of the zipper. So what you need to do now is to fix your zip to the material. So as seen, you will fold the tip half inch, you fold it inside, then place it on top of the zip. Be careful of the area you are placing on each other. So you place it as seen. What I'm doing here now is just trying to to pin it together so that it will be easy while sewing on the machine. So just take your pin, then attach it to the zipper. And the next thing you do is to also, you can separate the zipper, then you do for the other end. Do it for the other end of the material. Separate the zip. Be careful that you do not, you have to place the material on the right side of the zip. Be very careful. You have to place the material. Just watch carefully as seen. Yeah, just watch carefully as seen. So now you will do the same. You do same thing for the other parts of the material. Don't forget, you can use any material of your choice. Just make sure it's a durable one and it's something you can work with on the machine. You can make use of leather too. You can make use of canvas, just any material available or any material of your choice. So what I'm doing now is to fix the other end of the zipper to the material. Fix the other end of the zipper. Same thing you did the other time. You see here that I'm placing the right side of the zipper to the end of the material. Be careful while doing this. So now I'll fix it to both end of the material. Then the next is to take it to the sewing machine. This is what I'm doing. Just sew it straight stitch. You sew it down. This tutorial is very simple. You can just practice on your own, and if you do not have a sewing machine, it's something you can do with your hand needle, your needle and thread. Yeah, you can also do this with it, but to save time I had to make use of a sewing machine. So you fix it, the area that you pinned down earlier, you just take the pin, then fix it on top. You fix the material on top of the zipper. So now I'm done fixing the zipper clothes on the material. The next thing for us to do now is to fix it. We call that the teeth of the zip. We call the zipper teeth. I don't know what is being called in your area, but my area here we call it zipper teeth. So you fix it. You fix this zipper teeth on the, yeah, as shown. Just make sure it enters the mouth, enters through the teeth mouth, the zip cloth, then you zip it together as seen. So the next thing for us to do now is to turn the material inside out. Be very careful while doing this. You can just zip the pores to the middle, to the center, so that it do not come over trying to zip the entire thing. Just zip it to the center side, then as shown, sorry. So then you, because now we want to sew the two sides together, you have to align the two sides, make sure it's properly aligned. Don't worry, you trim off the excesses by the time you finish sewing it. But now we have to take it to the sewing machine. I already sewn one part, so I'm going to the other part now just to sew it and fix it together. Don't forget to make sure it's properly aligned. Make sure it's properly aligned. Just take your time. It's very simple to grab it, so you just have to take your time in learning this. It's something you can do on your own. And so here I'm done fixing the two sides. now. So then you trim off the excesses. After doing that, you then turn it inside out. You see that our purse is almost ready, so you just turn it upside down, inside out as shown. Make sure you bring all the edges out, the sharp edges, make sure it comes out. So this is what I'm doing here, turning the purse inside out. Then you zip it, you zip it together. You have your purse is ready. If you can also go ahead to press it, to give it a hot press. I did it too. As you can see, it's well laid, it's properly laid. Yes, after giving it a hot press. So our purse is ready, as simple as that. Now you can put in your basic things, you can put in your cards, your basic needs, so you can just put it in there. So if you find this tutorial helpful, would like you to like, share and comment. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Till I come your way next time. Bye. Stay blessed.